What she saw was Uchenna driving a big car. Even the kids from the field came to look. Under the supervision of Ezengwa and on the big field where no other car would cross them, Ezengwa allowed the kids to take over the steering. First Uchenna, and when he was done, Ziora took over. With detailed instruction, Ezengwa prepared her for her first ride. Of course, Obere Chief was also monitoring closely and entertaining everybody with his singing. Until it was his own turn to drive the car.
Huh? Okay. I should go away. Tax naman? Putara mo uso. Ngwan, kaputa.
Operating the steering like a chief, and also the horn. And last but not least, it was Chijoke's turn, our specialist mechanic, driving like a champion. Sofia Maka